declared all I declared, resumed. My ears are on fire thinking of you. They spoke of a time no one knew, left out to dry, little you. This isn't true, I'm letting you know what to do. Let me decide where we should go, and I'll follow you back to the start. I'm never gonna be this innocent now. I heard that it was hard to let it out. I let it up, but now it's getting loud. Listen for